Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Epson XP 2150, and I'm gonna show you how to perform nozzle check on this device. To do that, you need to open Epson iPrint, click on your printer, scroll down, choose nozzle check, click yes, and wait a while. And cool, so basically you will have printed sheet here, and on this sheet you can locate it here on the scanner, then scan this using scan button, and afterwards your printheads will be automatically aligned, and you will have automatically system calibration. But in my case, my printheads are not working, so unfortunately I can't perform the nozzle check. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.